Predstavnici NATO štaba Sarajevo i kancelarije vojnog atašeja ambasade SAD u Bosni i Hercegovini posjetili su komandu za obuku i doktrinu Oružanih snaga Bosne i Hercegovine u Travniku, gdje su sa svojim kolegama održali niz sastanaka i obišli sam lokalitet kasarne. Tokom ove posjete gostima je predstavljen način rada ove komande, kao i kursevi koji se održavaju u Centru za profesionalni razvoj.
It was value added for me to become more familiar with the Bosnian military and how they conduct their professional military education. I was an instructor myself at one time, and so it was good to be able to see how other nations train their NCOs. And I enjoyed the time and was able to engage and be able to meet and talk with other NCOs. And I don't have that opportunity terribly often, so it was really good. I enjoyed it very much.
The NCOs, the Sergeant Major and his team here, just doing phenomenal things with these soldiers and these NCOs out here at the squad level. They're really, fundamentally, the institutional knowledge that these young NCOs are getting are just phenomenal. They're out here in the snow, the cold, and they're doing what soldiers want to do, training and take the information and knowledge back to their teams and their squads to just ultimately, make a better army in the long run. But it's excellent execution. They're really building a lot of capabilities within the soldiers, and they're having some fun while they're doing it. So they're all very passionate and just love what they're doing.
Nakon sastanka i razmjene iskustava podoficira, gosti su prisustvovali i dijelu terenske obuke pripadnika Oružanih snaga Bosne i Hercegovine.